Tension escalated in West Garo Hills district on Monday evening after incidents of arson and vandalism were reported following the alleged assault on former Phulbari MLA Esmatur Mominin earlier in the day. Reports said the alleged assault occurred during the daytime when a group of activists gathered outside the office of the Deputy Commissioner in Tura while Mominin was waiting to file his nomination as an independent candidate for the upcoming Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections from the Shamnagar MDC constituency. Subsequently, unrest broke out in several areas during the evening, with miscreants setting ablaze the office of the Garo Students' Union located at Chibinang Market. Incidents of vandalism were also reported in Chandigre village, where shops were damaged during the violence. Eyewitnesses stated that groups of individuals armed with sticks and other objects were seen moving through the affected areas, triggering panic among local residents. In view of the deteriorating law and order situation, the district administration imposed curfew across West Garo Hills district to prevent further escalation. Police and security personnel have been deployed in vulnerable areas, while intensified patrolling has been undertaken. Sources also indicated that several persons sustained injuries in the clashes. The alleged assault on Mominin comes amid ongoing protests by certain groups opposing the participation of non-tribal candidates in the forthcoming GHADC elections scheduled for the 10th of April 2026. The demonstrations were also held in support of a notification issued by the GHADC stating that candidates contesting the elections must possess a valid scheduled tribe certificate.
Buwan ninggin, pangalang ibu. Ya acikan itu kancim nih, obostan besok ibu. Ya acikan itu kancim tak pilih pangalang dok tujuh, sojo. Ya dok kan di obostan yang serang jahat. Orang pernah main dakin. Ini acikan itu kan macam obostan besok ibu. Pangalang dokter kan mah, ya orang ku gelas mampun tak pilih. Cici yang jok, cici yang jok.
Problem ukeng ya, mungkin.
Ah, warga Indonesia, mai penakan bu.
Hey, hey. Hey,